Alright guys, welcome back to another video that we're going to be doing today. So what website we're going to be using is pbskids.org. Now pbskids.org is a wonderful learning resource for children and as well as parents. This is also a good one for parents. So let's go to parents first, which is in our top left corner here. So we're going to click on parents, and parents, this is awesome because down here, if you scroll down a little bit, we have a PBS shop, PBS supervision. Now supervision is something that is awesome. It's a new app and it offers like a real connection for what your kids are doing on pbskids.org. This is awesome for you guys to connect with and to also talk to them about, to see what they're really learning and to really scaffold that learning a little bit better with them. Next is the Visit Lab, and then also the Visit Learning Media. So Learning Media is a great one for classroom resources for myself as a teacher, as well as students and parents as well. These are awesome learning resources to kind of figure out what your kiddos are learning in the classroom and to help them along with that as well. Now parents, this is a great one for you guys. We're going to go to Visit PBS Parents. This has articles, newsletters, tips, advice, whatever you guys might possibly need for your kiddos. This is a great resource. There's also down here, there's mobile downloads you guys can do. I know a lot of kiddos like to play on iPads or laptops, and you can download all of these apps. This is something that they're learning on this website and in the classroom. So this is great to bring home and use. Let's see, up here we have education. There's all types of education. There's games and articles in every single one of these. Let's focus back onto PBS Kids. So I'm going to go back to pbskids.org. Alright, we're back to the homepage of PBS Kids. Now kiddos, listen up. Alright, we have videos on our left-hand side and games on our right-hand side. If you do see a fun character that you like for your shows, go ahead and click on one of those because that'll take you to games and videos relating to that character. So here's Super Y. Super Y is a very fun TV show that teaches a whole bunch of very interesting information. Alright. And so here we have all of the different characters in there. Now you can go to games down here that relate to Super Y. And then there's also videos in the top right. Let's go to Super Y Home. We are on Super Y Home. Alright, we're on Super Y Home. So this is all of the main information that you guys can get, and this comes with every single game that you pick. Alright, so the effectiveness of being on pbskids.org as a resource is that you guys will retain your understanding a little bit better. You'll understand what's going on a little bit better because this does connect with your prior knowledge of the shows that you watch, the movies that you watch. This is something that is relatable to you guys. One super fun thing that we learned the other day in classroom of our anti-bullying was being a friend. If we go to popular games, I know that there was a very fun being a friend game in here. Right here, being a friend on our right-hand side with Arthur. This is really fun and very interactive for you guys to play with, to understand that lesson that we learned a little bit better in class. Alright, so those are our relevant learning objectives, you guys. These are things that we take from class and we can go home and just work on a little bit more. So the efficiency of going on to pbskids.org is that we're saving time in class, you guys. This is something that we don't have to do in class. This is something we can take home and play with. We have options of playing all these different types of games, and you guys can pick what you would like. Now, a really fun enhancement opportunity for this resource is that you guys can play with your classmates and your peers. Maybe you guys find a fun game. Let's see, right here is Power Suit Maker. You know, that's a fun one, or Monster Music. These are things that you guys can play with your classmates and then kind of compare what you guys did and play together, which is a lot of fun for you guys. This is also extremely interesting and interactive. I love playing games. You guys know that. We play games all the time in the classroom. And this is something that we can do maybe in the classroom on our smart board someday. Also, this is possible to do without technology, you guys. Technology is a wonderful resource that we have, and we might as well use it to our best advantage. So up here, we just click on our browser board and we just go to pbskids.org. We have tons of different resources on here, you guys. There is also videos that we can watch. Instead of just playing games, we can go to videos. Now this also does stream live TV. So if you guys are just feeling like watching a show, we can click on one of our favorites. Here's Super Y one more time. We can click on Super Y, and that gives us an actual recording of our show. We can learn a little bit more. All right, you guys. I think that's all I have for you today. If you guys have any questions about this resource, let me know. Give me a shout out in my email or in class, and we can go over it a little bit more. One last thing I do have for you guys is that up here we have apps. If we click on apps, this gives us a lot of things that we can download. Maybe there's a fun one that you guys think we can play in class. Now let's see, maybe for our science lesson we could think one. We could get one here as a science play for kids, building bridges for our STEM curriculum. There's a bunch of different opportunities we have. So if you guys find one, let me know and we can figure it out. We have Explore Earth Science, Weather and Patterns. We were going over weather the other day. So this is a great opportunity for us, you guys. Let's take advantage of it. All right, well that is all I have for you, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. See ya.